Record!
Let's go.
Let's go!
Interventional rifle boy.
I'm scared.
Oh, the sounds are so.
Edwin, I'm scared.
Why are you scared? The audio is so high. Okay. I wonder who will die first.
I will.
Rangers lead the way.
Where is you?
When is you?
I am in the plane.
Oh, okay.
No, I am not. No, I'm outside the plane. God damn it, I just saw you as well.
Well, that's what you get for giving away the position of yours.
Yeah, I guess. Oh. I heard a window break. Come out, wherever you are.
I can hear you, but I can't find you.
I am a ghost. This is why I like to play Call of Duty Ghosts, because I'm a ghost, lol, ha, XD.
Well,
XD,
yeah.
am I right? I'm camping in a corner. No. Fuck.
No scope for the win?
Yeah, no scope. Come, no scope battle again.
No thanks, I don't want to take the risk.
Where? How do you move so...
How do I move up?
You're already gone, I just spawned in here as almost.
I ran away immediately.
You're an idiot.
Nah.
I don't like you.
Where are you now?
I'm in your ass.
Oof.
It's pretty tight. I can't really move. The fuck?
Take it out.
Are we playing hardcore? I only just noticed this. God, how did... What do you mean you just spawned there? What the fuck? Get no scoped.
Shit.
Shit in my butt. Dang it. How do you know where I am all the fucking time?
I don't.
But you do.
No. Fuck's sake, that scavenger scared me.
Ba-na-na-na-na. Fuck off.
That was a stunning kill.
Indeed. God, that was just stupid. Boy. What? How are you so good at sniping?
I'm just lucky.
No, you're just good. Shut up. What? Where? Oh, right there. God damn it! You blend in.
Isn't that what the sniper's supposed to do?
I don't like it. You're blending in too well.
I am the environment.
Yeah, just like I am violence. Let's go. Fight me. Wait, is that you?
No! No! No, that is nobody.
That was you dipshit. Come back.
No?
Fight me like a man. I think all of my kills at this point. God damn it! I think all of my kills have been no scopes. Yeah, all my kills have been no scopes until this point. And still are. Stop! Stop!
How about no?
How do you? Oh yeah, a throwing knife. All right.
Oh shit! You scared me.
I heard. Oh shit! God damn it! Stop spawning wherever I am. Ah! Fuck off!
No.
Let me be me. Let me have fun. What's that? What are you doing? What are you doing? Where even are you? Hello? Am I deaf? Yeah, I'm deaf. No. I did not agree. What the fuck? Okay, running around again. Corner. I'm coming around for another spin run. Yay! Edson, where the fuck?
Gotcha!
What the fuck was that?
I shot the red barrel.
What in the fuck? That was the weirdest fight I've ever had. How did you know? Well, I'm literally half. Damn it!
Face first into the enemy.
Yep, that's how you win. That's the way to go.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm in your ass. No, I'm not.
Fart. Fart. Oh shit! Where was that from?
Nowhere. Nowhere in particular.
Where are you hiding?
Up your ass. Where in the holy blue blazes did you go?
Somewhere. To the doctor to get you out of my ass.
Alright.
Oh, that's where you are.
Oh, am I? What?
Found you.
How do you...
Well, you shot so I can find you on the map, so you know.
What do you mean? How do you have a map?
Escape.
Oh,
So if I shoot, hold up your map, okay?
yeah. Huh.
Yeah, and then I looked in that direction and I saw you move.
That's sad. You make me one sad boy, Edwin, you know that?
Then I'm a happy boy. I'm a very, very happy boy.
Don't worry. Be happy.
Don't you worry about a thing.
My child.
Oh,
No!
oh.
I refuse.
You what now?
I refuse. Wait, what?
Throwing knife.
I swear I did not see you anywhere. Oh, hello. What is the throwing knife button?
G.
I forgot.
Or the middle mouse.
No, GG, 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 GG. Dang it.
Yeah, sorry. This is Gary's mod.
Ow! Ah, what? What's going on? No. How did you...
I don't know.
You're the throwing knife god man person.
Apparently.
Where'd you go?
That would be...
Come here, fight me.
No.
Okay, fine.
I wanna snipe you.
I lost my knife. Oh no, I picked it up. I'm good. How? What? What?
Shit.
No. I have to disagree on that.
Where did you go?
Nowhere this time. I just derped out.
Oh, okay.
I went to the doctor. Lol.
Sorry.
God damn it, Edwin. What? Hello?
There we go. Now we're even about that knife game.
I throwing knife to you, bitch. Hello?
Hello.
How did you end up there already?
I don't know.
You're a quick boy. I don't get how you can go everywhere so quick. Where are you? Where the fuck am I at? Oh, I'm here. Oh wow.
Shit.
That was the weirdest thing ever. Why were you in a corner? What were you doing?
I was hiding for it.
What were you thinking?
Magic.
Magic? Magic the Gathering?
Shit.
Heroes of Light and Magic.
That's a good game. I played it yesterday.
I don't even know, I just said some... What is that game about? Tell me. Explain it.
Yeah, I believe I've shown it to you, but you didn't like it.
Really? Oh, oof. Oi, where are you? I swear you're in here somewhere. Where are you?
Right
Show
there.
yourself. Show yourself. Now when I tell you to show yourself, you show yourself.
We're losing this
I did.
No, you didn't. You. No.
Yes.
I disagree.
I agree. Where? Oh, there.
Nowhere. I'm gonna have to resort to this. Because, well, actually, let's not. That will be bad. That'll be sad. Oh, hello. How? How? You're a hacker, man. I don't like hacker people. How about no? Mine. Where are you? How are you? Wait, don't do that. Don't. No.
Oof. I missed my shots.
I threw the stun the wrong way. Where even are you? What? Oh, hello. What? Where did you... What? Fuck you.
I stunned myself.
I get no scoped in the head. Well, that's not a headshot, but still, fuck off. Where are you? Where do you keep coming from, you? Nice no scope, brother.
Yeah.
I got 18 kills, boys. We're doing good out here.
And
Well, hope you enjoyed the video, boys. I'll see y'all next time.